Checking the brake fluid. Sorry about that. Little light. Well, hard to tell. Hard to tell, but you can look in here. You can see it's there for that. So either way, that looks good. Make sure that lid's on. I always like to touch everything I touched before. See if we can put the engine oil cap on another way so we can see the. No, that's about right. Make sure that's good. Make sure everything I touched. I touch it again to make sure when I close the hood. Dipstick, power steering, radiator's good, oil. That concludes our video. I'll check for leaks one more time, but I'm going to do that off camera. So, but it looks good, as you can see. There's nothing. You probably have a better view than I do. That's the Baxter. Anyways, that's it. If you've watched all the way to this point, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And you never know what I'm going to put on YouTube. So, well, God bless you. God be with you. Pray and think positive. Have a blessed and awesome day. Bye-bye. Oh, and Happy New Year.